Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe and I am so excited because today I'm going to show you a little piece of the collection from Beach Please Fenty Beauty new foiled kilowatt highlighters. I'm also going to show you how to get this look start to finish, foundation included, all Fenty goodies. But first, let's get into that new. So we have our classic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 octagon shape. And inside, we're gagged immediately because look at the cool, beautiful face. Super excited. Has the highlight brush in there, which I use in the video. I'm gonna show you how to put that to work. On the flippity side, it has some little tips from Rihanna, her blot powder. Oh, I didn't do that. I'm super dry anyway, so whatever. And foundation primer, which I used in the video to get you this look. Created by Priscilla Ono, amazing makeup artist. She killed it. Rihanna looks bomb, as usual. Took my breath away. I've been really excited ever since that Vogue video they did. I'm like, what is that? Anyways, maybe I shouldn't blah blah blah, and let's get into swatching. So first up, we have the Sangria Sunset and Sunrise Mimosa foiled kilowatt highlighter duo. It's called a freestyle highlighter duo. Same weightless long wear formula as the original and a new mega reflective foil-like finish. I mean, the proof is in the pudding, you know? I basically bathed in this one today. I'm gonna show you the swatches, and it's super cool because it's very multi-dimensional. So this is the Mimosa Sunrise. Absolutely scrumptious. It's got orange, gold. It looks like a Mimosa Sunrise, you know? And this is the Sangria Sunset. It's just delicious. Next up, we have Sandcastle and Mint Mojito. This is Sandcastle. I honestly think I might have to use that every day because it's blinding, if you didn't notice. This one is Minted Mojito. Stunning. This one is 7-Day Weekend and Poolside. This one is 7-Day Weekend. Gorgeous, almost lavender. And this one is Poolside. Just look at like how cute all those swatches are. Ugh. Honestly, these are freaking stunning. I think they could be used as blushes, highlight. So today on my skin, I just used this one. I thought when the other parts of the collection come in, I can do a look with either one of these. But honestly, just the feeling of them, they feel almost creamy, like my skin looks blurred underneath. Usually if you wear a highlight this intense, I can feel textured a little bit, but I almost feel like this formula feels better than the original kilowatt highlighters. I don't know what it is, like that formula is really beautiful, but this just feels really smooth, and I guess they had to do that to really have like such intense color look so smooth and natural. I think this collection's so dope. Like I actually want to wear each one of these as eyeshadow, highlight, blush. And if you want to see how to get this look that Priscilla Ono created, and then I kind of tried but didn't quite get it. If you want to see this version of it, then please stay tuned. Let's get into it. So first, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Pro FIltr Primer and one pump. I'm just going to put that in my T-zone and on my nose, of course, and on my chin. I've been a fan of Priscilla Ono for a very long time, so it's cool to be recreating one of her looks. Next up, I'm going to be using the Pro FIltr Foundation by Fenty Beauty in 390. This is quite a bit darker than my skin tone, but I'm trying to look tanned, you know? And to do it like Rhea, I'm gonna pump it on the back of my hand and use a brush today. And I'm gonna start in the center of my face and work my way out. So sometimes I like to do a darker foundation first as a base and then go in with really light highlight and contour while it's still drying and still kind of wet, so that I can still look tan, but the really light concealer will help balance it out. That way I can get a nice highlighted look without having to use like a light powder. And I'm just kind of stippling around my eyes because I want more coverage there, and then buffing it out in the areas where I might not need as much coverage. Just was nice and light. Usually when I do my foundation with my hands, I blend it on my neck. So I'm just going to do it with my hand. It's easier. Now to really highlight, I'm going to use a combination of the peach matchstick and honey. I'm going to go in with the peach first because that's closer to what I would want my concealer to look like. And then the honey afterwards to really give us the most light. I'm doing that in kind of a V shape. I just want to like bring out my bone structure. Rihanna's got some beautiful bone structure. So in the center of the nose, a little sprinkler. And then the center of my chin. Then I'm going to take peach and I'm going to go just below that and mix it in. so it looks a little bit lighter. And I'm gonna go real close underneath my eyes, get extra brightness. I'm gonna give that a finger blend underneath my eyes just to warm it up a little bit. And I feel like with my fingers I can get like right up under there. Blend out the jawline too. And it also looks like she's got a little bit of a highlight under her brow in the picture, so I'm gonna just do a little highlight there. For contour and bronzer, I'm gonna take my shade Cocoa and go into my cheekbones, down the sides of my nose, right around that tip. I'll do little these guys on my forehead because I like a bronze forehead. I'm gonna blend this out with the brush just because I'm going to do it in layers so I get the most impact, and I want to kind of keep it in place, so I'm just kind of like tapping it on, and then I can blend it onto my cheeks without rubbing it off. I'm just breezing through skin and brows real quick because I'm like really excited to try the new collection on. That's what the video's for. So for brows, I'm gonna do a really simple brow because it doesn't look like she has much in her brows. I'm gonna take the Girl Boy Brow Set by MAC, and I'm gonna real generously comb through my brows. And this is a lighter color than my brow color, of course. And I'm gonna take my Dip Down Fluid Line and like the tiniest little bit. I don't want to really draw a new shape. I'm just kind of filling in gaps, maybe extending the tail a little bit. And just kind of like letting the hairs, I'm not trying to ruffle them, I'm just trying to smush them down with the brush and bring them out just a little bit. So I'm gonna pretend I have fabulous brows too. And this side, because I have a little bit of a gap there, I'm just gonna wiggle it back and forth in that empty space. One thing I forgot, and it says on Priscilla's page, is she's got Chili Mango Matchstick as blush. So I'm gonna put some on my hand like this, because my foundation might already be set now that I've done my brows and time has passed, and I'm going to tap on my hand like this and press it into my cheeks. Ooh, yes. Same thing, warm it up, get it going, and I'm trying to use the side that doesn't have contour on it, and I'm just pressing it into my cheeks. I thought I didn't have this one, and I haven't used it, but I see why she loves it so much and she uses it so often, because this is bomb. And it's dewy. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited to try these. So these are the Kilowatt foils. So for my eyes, I'm gonna start with Mimosa Sunrise, and I'm gonna sweep this underneath my lash line and put a little in the inner corner of my eye. It's gonna look a little different than hers because I can't control myself, and I think I'm about to go cray 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 with this look because this is so pretty. And I'm just gonna blend it right here because I'm probably gonna highlight there with the same shade. These are stunning. Oh, it's just dimension. On this side it almost looks more like the orange, and when it catches the light on this side it looks yellow. It's like the more I get into it, looks like the color's changing too. Oh yeah, this is so bomb. This is such a genius, beautiful look that Priscilla created too. I don't know. I'm having a good time. And I'm gonna put that on the lid too. I would just wear this by itself even all over, just cause it's such a beautiful color. People highlight with this, I can't wait. Gonna blend it up. Oh, and this is my Morphe M506 brush. Went all over the lid. Love these. There's so much dimension to it. It's like gold, orange. It is a Mimosa Sunrise, that's a good name. That by itself with eyelashes I think is like, let's call it quits, but I'm gonna get into the other side because I'm really excited to see how that one goes. So I'm gonna take Sangria Sunset. I'm gonna use a bigger blending brush because I'm gonna go in the crease with this, and I'm gonna blend it upwards to the high heavens of deliciousness. Okay, she didn't go up that high, but I just kept going for it and was living my best life. So I'm gonna go back in with this one just to bump up my eyelid because they're blending so beautiful. This is so fun too, like this makes makeup exciting. Okay, I am not sure how the highlight went, but let's see. Oh, she probably wrote it on her thing. This is the one I'm looking at. So it looks like she used both as a highlight, so I think I'm just going to start with the Sangria Sunset, and I'm using her highlight brush, the 120 highlight, and I'm just kind of letting that angle hug my cheekbone, and I think I'll do a little bit above the brow because like why not? Reset it. I better. I'm gonna go down the center of my nose. Same thing on this side, just letting this hug my cheekbones, and I'm just blending it down. Now she has some lip products that are coming out that I don't have, but I'll do that in a separate swatch video and give that all the attention. Next, I'm going to take Sunset Sangria. Both of these colors are making me so thirsty. And same thing, same brush. And I'm gonna go a little bit lower. I'm gonna use it almost like a blush, but I'm gonna just kind of blend it just a touch lower than where I put the Mimosa Sunrise. Oh, sunrise and sunset. I get it. And let's just like connect it. Why not? Oops, that one I went a little high by accident, but that's okay. We're having a good time here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the most with this. I think I'm gonna hook it a little on my temples, both of them. Why not? Now, because I don't have the new lip products that she's coming out with, I'm actually gonna mix this with the gloss bomb. So I'm gonna do this kind of in the center. It looks like she's got both pink and orange. So I'm gonna do that right in the center of my bottom lip, maybe in the inner part, and I'm gonna take the other one and go on the outer part. And then with the gloss bomb, I'm going to just kind of roll it on, trying not to mix up the dimension we just added. Cute! I'm gonna go in with the Kush mascara by Milk Makeup. Give myself a nice generous coat. It doesn't look like she has lashes on, but she has longer lashes than me, so I'm gonna put on some little natural one. Whenever I want to pretend I'm not wearing lashes, I like to use my Nibble and Some Lash and Australian Mist. Put them on the very edge of my eye. Ugh. Then I'm just gonna put some mascara on the bottom. She doesn't have a lot of mascara on the bottom, but that's where we went. This mascara is good for doing wells. Alright, so that completes the look, the review, the swiggity swatches. Such an exciting piece of the collection that I have so far for Beach Please. Like, gorgeous, makes me so excited for summer. I actually really love this look. I love what Priscilla did with the color and how to make it wearable but still wear fun colors. I'm feeling it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the collection. I'm super excited. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.